And also here you have the menu function for you to test the machine. For example, the separate bottle cylinder. You can see when I press it, this one it will automatically move so that the tubes could be fed to the next station. And there is also press label cylinder. For this one, it will press the label on the tube labeling station. So I will show you. So here to press it. You can see here when you press it, the cylinder will come up and to press the tube there for labeling. And here is also block bottle cylinder. Block bottle cylinder, it means here. You can see here, when you press it, it will block it so that the tube is not fed to the feeding position. So it will go up and down like this. And also you have the blow cylinder jog. So when you press it, you can see when you press the blow cylinder, it will automatically feed one tube there. When you press again, it will go back. And also here you have a blow-in jog. I will show you later when it rotates. So now you can also press the turntable motor. When you press it, the rotate station will go on to rotate. You press it, it will rotate to the next station. You can see. You press it, it goes to the next station. You can see now here one tube has been in here so that you can blow it off. You can press blow-in jog. I will press it and show you. One moment. You need to make the turntable motor jog to the correct position, to the right position. Then when you press the blow, it will go automatic blow one tube off. The finished tube will be blown off. So it must be on the correct position. When you press it, you keep pressing. It will rotate to the correct station and then stop. You see, now it's in the correct position. You turn again. You see here it alarms, discharge not cleared. If discharge not cleared, then it means you still have the one that you see here. We have a sensor to detect. If you have a tube that is not discharged, then it will alarm and let you know here. So you need to take the tube down so that it will go there automatically and without fault. So now you can